Letlhabile, Letlhabile. It's a new dawn, ready to set on Botswana Television. Letlhabile.
Sedika ke ntšapedi ga se thata ebile mo re toyetse ga o ye fa re tle re ka tshwara phage ka mangana mme ra bapolana jalo le HIV and AIDS ke a go bolelela e ka re ka moso ra berele an HIV free generation. DEE-ZONE Productions is a television company e dirang jalo thulaganyo ya NTWAKGOLO e leng gore e itebagantse le go ruta setšhaba ka HIV and AIDS. Tlotlego o na le teng go tlela dintlha ka botlalo.
Sex is precious. Okay.
Naledi! Hey, Lama, these men take care of me. I can't want to get Julie. It's investment and about to but have back on the line.
Daddy Rakanata, or Carol Namela Maluve Lerle Maholoneri.
Naledi Nzalaka. Kuba salui tokome.
As Botswana, we never fail to rise to the occasion when it comes to fighting the war against HIV and AIDS. Today we're at DEE-ZONE, a film and television production company that was funded by the Ministry of Youth, Sport and Culture. We're going to talk about their initiatives being NTWAKGOLO. I'm going to sit and chat with one of the marketing and PR persons, Vincent Tiro, about this initiative. Come with me. Hello, Vincent.
Welcome. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yes, it's good to have Letlhabile in the house.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks for welcoming us.
All right, yeah, step into my office.
Okay.
Yes.
We're here to talk about NTWAKGOLO. Mainly, can we start from what is NTWAKGOLO? What is it all about?
Yeah, and once again, thanks Letlhabile for the great opportunity. And we at DEE-ZONE are really honored to be the production company behind this huge project. And of course, you would know this is the month of youth against HIV/AIDS, so I feel it's really appropriate that you guys took time to come and join us this side.
Yeah.
But NTWAKGOLO is one of the many initiatives by the National AIDS Coordinating Agency aimed at now trying to help in terms of changing people's mindsets, what we call behavioral change.
Okay.
So we have different episodes that are different themes, if I may put it that way.
Okay.
You know, I know it sounds a little redundant right now, but yeah, you know what I mean. From safe male circumcision to consistent, correct condom use to multiple concurrent partnerships. Right now, where we are with this project, is the next phase of what the government always wanted to do, because all along in prevention and care ever since in cases of HIV/AIDS. Now we are preaching prevention messages. Okay.
It sounds like a really, really big and exciting project. As you've mentioned, you have different themes and all.
Yeah.
But who are you targeting with this NTWAKGOLO?
NTWAKGOLO, originally when we first started, we were targeting mainly, very young people, school going, and then probably just young professionals, 2 years into working and all that. But even Naca, these young people, because we are addressing issues, they have elder people, nowadays what you call them intergenerational relationships. Those banana like our age bracket and from as early as 10 to 49 that connection Vincent, I have to now change, and do some things that can actually help the country fight HIV/AIDS, because where we are with NTWAKGOLO as one of the many initiatives Naca has. Naca by 2016. I can get it as a country where we want to go by 2016. We have no new infections, right? About 0 new infections.
All right.
So that's what NTWAKGOLO is trying to help. It's not just the only project, and we will not really fool ourselves to believe we can wield that battle. No, it's one of the many that Naca has in place. But Rona will be playing our part with the edutainment segment, because it's documentary combined with film.
Okay.
The short films and all. So it's very interesting. I think the rounds also tell us about the structure, the team, the guys behind this, the graphic designers, the editors, because we're at the DEE-ZONE premises right now. You get to understand it.
Okay, that's interesting. We'd really love to get to know the people behind it. Now, I want to know, you talked about NTWAKGOLO being a docudrama.
Yes.
Can you explain to us what a docudrama is, and is that concept, do you think it would be effective in helping you play your part in fighting HIV/AIDS?
Yeah, definitely, because where we are right now, it's always been, what is it that we are doing? That's different from what has been done.
Okay.
That some would say comes across as boring, and it's not appealing, and it's not really going to help much to try and change the mindsets. And remember, like I said, our target group mainly is young people.
Okay.
And these are people they have very little experience with life, so they easily get led astray. So language, you know, so what we are doing with we speak those messages directly to them. Entertainment.
Okay.
Our program is edutainment. Yeah, educate entertain. So entertained at the same time. So it's a combination of short films, like I said. The expert interviews still how do you combine the docu-drama. The drama section of a film is the expert interviews. Just ordinary people, mostly young people. Condom usage. But people will really know, and they will appreciate it for what it is. And what I've just said now, it's edutainment.
Okay. I wanted to know more about the logo. Did you have someone design it from inside the company, or you outsourced it? And why the hand in particular?
Okay, the logo was designed in-house. We have a team behind, you know, from your script writers to your graphic designers to your editors, camera operators, everybody. Like, it's a fully fledged production team.
Okay.
That's why we are handling such a project. That is. And the hand that you see over there was designed by our in-house graphic designer. Hopefully you get to meet him as we tour the premises.
Okay.
And the hand, from what we agreed on, was, it's a symbol, like the way it's put up, more like stop. It's a stop sign. Right. On its own, like you putting your hand out there like stop. So we're trying to stop HIV/AIDS, and HIV/AIDS in this instance is symbolized by the worldwide AIDS symbol, and that being the red ribbon in the middle. So we are stopping HIV/AIDS.
Well, I think it's very interesting and creative that you have your clients and your team on the walls.
Yeah, it's the whole essence. So it's a production house, plus there's a lot of young people working here. So we try to like really make it more vibrant, more lively, so that even when you come in here, you are inspired. Remember, it's all about creativity, and that's the reason why this company is where it is, because we have young creative minds. So there has to be a lot of constant inspiration all the time. The place has to be kind of like your home away from home, you know. When the team is here, they should feel at home and feel inspired all the time to be able to bring out the best in them. So hence all this colorful setting and all these paintings, all these pictures. We're just trying to bring out all that inspiration constantly, all the time. Yes.
Well, I certainly felt at home while I was here.
We're glad you felt that.
I learned a lot about NTWAKGOLO and DEE-ZONE.
Definitely.
So, thanks for having me.
You're most welcome, and thank you for coming through to come and see where we are and where this project that is going to change Botswana's lives was born and created and everything else. And one thing that I can say to Botswana is they should look forward to NTWAKGOLO to be hitting their screens very soon, and we promise them nothing but the best production.
Leave